Barbarian here, and welcome to another TRC Shave and Chat. We got a good one for you today. I've used it now twice. I've never used the TRC shave soaps before. I picked one up. This is a great scent. It is a dupe of, or inspired by Mandarino di Amalfi by Tom Ford. I think that's correct. And awesome base. I'll go ahead and put up the base ingredients. It's nice. It's a fresh, clean scent. And I'll go ahead and put up the scent notes. But it's a nice, clean, fresh scent. A little bit of floral. Now that I've used it with the aftershave and stuff, you get a little bit more floral, opens up more, but it's still nice, fresh, clean scent. Excited to use it again. We're going to have to redo the lines on the goatee because I've gone a little too long without shaving. We're dealing with about 3 days worth of growth. And we whipped this awesome soap up in the Captain's Choice Aquamarine. It's my go-to bowl. And we used the TRC brush with, I believe this one is an Oumo knot synthetic I got a while back. I just had sitting around. I threw in it. Works really well. If not, it's a G5C. Can't remember. They look similar, but the fibers are a little different. But either way, they both work well. So nice. This whips up great, guys. This is one of those bases you can start with a lot of air and water, and it whips up into a nice creamy lather as well. I like to, lately I've been building the lather in the bowl and getting it nice and thick and creamy, and then I add water on the face to dial it in. I just like my lather a little bit more hydrated than probably some other people do. It doesn't have to be runny, but I do like it considerably wet. It's just my personal preference. Today we're going to be using, I borrowed this from a buddy and I'm using it every chance I get. Local Tennessean. I'm from Tennessee for those of you who do not know. It's a Charcoal Goods Level 2. It's not around anymore. He sent it to me and I've been giving it a go, and I really enjoy the razor. I wish they still made them. But this scent, guys, great. Scent strength is easily medium. The base is phenomenal. The base, I mean, guys, if you got any questions about the base, performs just like any other top tier base at a very affordable and quality price. Labels are pretty cool too. I like the colors and the way they do that. Most of the TRC products tend to be, sorry, we got an itch. Most of the TRC products tend to be inspired by fragrances, which is perfectly fine by me. Had a little bit of soap residue on the handle, but that's it, the Charcoal Goods. It looks like a dipper for honey, and this is a honeycomb handle, but this is the level 2. It's done in brass, like it. We've got a second, third use willies in here. I don't know where you pick willies up. I do know they come with your Pearl Flexi when you get it, because that's where I got mine from. I picked up the Pearl Flexi open comb from TRC. The efficiency on this is beautiful. Let me close that door. I think there's TV on in the other room. Man, the efficiency and how smooth it is great. I might have hit my Adam's apple right there. Felt like I hit it a little rough. But it just mows it down. Slickness on this. It's just phenomenal, guys. It's great soap. And I like that it's one that you don't really have to shake out the brush, and you can just go to bowl lathering, and you don't really have to add water. I didn't add any other water to this when I lathered it until I dialed it in on the face. And that's what I like to do. I like to dial it in on the face lately. I feel they're less runny that way. If I get it to a certain texture in the bowl, I can dial it in on the face and not have to worry about it getting too runny in the bowl. That's the issue. Sometimes when I push it a little far in the bowl, it can get a little runny. So lately we've just, like I said, a lot of y'all would probably think, oh, that's beautiful, that's great, that's like a perfect lather. And I mean, it's nice. It's just not as hydrated as I like. See, look at that. I mean, it's beautiful. Looks good. Man, you know what? I'm not even going to dial it in. We'll just see how this performs. We'll do an experiment here on the channel together. Maybe how dense it feels is the reason I feel like it's a little dry. Being a little quiet on the neck. It's just a weird area for me. Yeah, I mean, it's rinsing up fine. Yeah. I love the aftershave bottles. The TRC branded soaps. I like how they're square. You'll see that in a minute. It's pretty cool. Easier to stack, no wasted space. There's still the 100 milliliters like everybody else's. You know, the size is still industry standard. It's not less, it's not more, but I do like the square bottles. So, we did nick the Adam's apple, like I said. I think we're good with everything else. I'm not really gonna go for BBS. That's just asking for irritation. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and rinse on up, and we'll be right back with final thoughts. Really nice shave. The one thing is it takes a while to rinse off all the residual slickness from the soap. It took a good little while. I like this brush. I like the looks of it. And I'm good with almost any synthetic knot, and this has quite a bit of backbone for a synthetic and works really well. Followed up with the splash. Look at those bottles, guys. Completely, I mean, that's just great. I love it. I don't know that you need to shake this. I don't think it says shake well. Oh, it does say shake well. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Very nice. I do like them, but that's just me. Not everybody has to like what I like. But Pollux. And it's a nice scent. Great. I mean, definitely be wearing that in the summer months. Great scent to use. I mean, we're in the summer now. Quite hot here in Nashville, Tennessee. I mean, we're kind of going through our ebbs. But it's been, yeah, it's been up and down, warm, more like spring than summer, but I think we're finally getting into summer. But this is a great summer scent, guys. Really enjoyed the shave. I love this razor. I shouldn't keep showing it. I know you can't get it, but hey, you can find it used just like you can those old school Gillettes. But that was a really nice shave. Great post. I love the splash. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for joining me for another TRC Shave and Chat. Hope to catch you next shave.